Hello, I'm Eus Moises Acuña. I am 42 years old. I'm married and I have two beautiful children. I'm public employee in the education sector. I've had the chance to go on the vacation with my family to the Bucaramanga city, a beautiful city you'd really wonderful tourist place. You visit thematic parks and restaurants with typical food. The outdoor is temperate and in some place is cool. I recommend to take appropriate clothes for the outdoors and taste the typical food on the region. The plane and vacation in Bucaramanga ends its sutterings. It is necessary to book the hotel beforehand. Use hub-like ways to the transit through the place of destination and overall enjoy in the family.